Welcome back to Bad Attitude C-10. I'm sure there are several of y'all asking yourselves, why in the hell would I be changing my front disc brakes out again? Well, to be honest with y'all, if I could have afforded to buy a set of Wilwood disc brakes in the beginning, that's the route I would have gone. So what happened was I just kind of dumb lucked into these DynaPro series Wilwood brakes on Facebook Marketplace. The guy that had purchased them had already installed the rotors and put the studs in, and they did not fit his application. So therefore, I got them for about 50% off the original purchase price. That allows us to lose about 35 more pounds over the OEM set we originally put on, and they have a little better stopping power and clamping force with the dual piston setup. That all being said, they also look quite badass. So, that's exactly what the hell I was thinking.